Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this fantastic bulb infographic. So let's start. You're gonna change the format background to black. You're gonna add this pentagon and you're gonna place it into this middle of the template into the bottom and change this color to white. Now the next thing you're gonna do is increase its line, and there you go. Now let's place it upwards. Add a rectangle right here, this thick, and you're gonna place it into the middle and send it to the back. And now you're gonna insert this half circle donut, and you're gonna increase its shape like this and adjust it like this. Now what you're gonna do is move it right here on top of this rectangle like this. Now what you're gonna do is go to format shape and adjust the shape size that its width is similar to that of the rectangle. Now we'll place it on, and let's place it right here. Now the next thing we're gonna do is select this. So let's select this, go to format background, and format shape. Let's duplicate it by pressing Ctrl D about 3 more times and place each of them similarly like this, that it adjusts onto that rectangle. And now the next thing we're gonna do is adjust all of them like this, and we're gonna select and go to insert tab and add the shape, and we're gonna rotate it like this and place it onto this shape right here, that they are gonna work as the lamp. And the next thing we're gonna do is insert a circle and give it some glow effects. This is going to be the bulb, so I'm gonna use yellow glow effect. Let's place it right here and let's change its color. Let's rotate it like this and put it into the shape, but we're gonna send it to the back. Let's decrease its size a little bit. Let's decrease its width as well. Now you're gonna select the shape and duplicate it. Let's increase its size and put it right here next to that shape again. The next thing you're gonna do is give the shape some gradient and send it to the back. We're gonna give the gradient of white and black. We're also gonna give the gradient of this pink color to the other shape. We're gonna select these all shades and we're gonna merge them and group them. And so you have to repeat the process, and I have done all of that. And now the next thing I'm gonna do is select this and give each of them some animations. Be sure to use the same animations if you want the same results. By the way, this template is available for free in the link in the description below. So you can download it from there without paying any price. And you can also check out my Patreon if you want similar free content and templates. And of course, they are all for free. So let's return to the video. So I have given all of the animations. So let's go to animation pane and we're gonna adjust the time and the size of the animation. So this is the final result. Be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel for more amazing content and stuff like this.